Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing your trading account growing overnight without you having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I tested the AI Max Pro EA bot for 24 hours, and the results honestly surprised me. Did it win? Did it lose? And most importantly, can you actually make money with it? Stick around because I'm showing you everything, including live proof of the results. Let's be real, manual. Trading can be frustrating. You miss trades because you're not at your screen 24/7. Emotions get in the way, fear and greed ruin your strategy. Some days you win, some days you lose, and it feels like a roller coaster. But what if there was a way to trade smarter, not harder? That's where AI Max Pro EA comes in. An advanced AI-powered trading bot that removes emotions, trades with pure logic, and works 24/5 so you don't have to. So, I put it to the test. I set up a real account with $1,000 and let AI Max Pro EA run for 24 hours. Here's what happened. You can see the bot entering trades instantly, based on real-time AI signals. No hesitation, no second guessing, just precise, calculated trades. Now for the results. Starting balance, $1,000. Ending balance, $1,245. That's $245 in profit in just 24 hours without me placing a single trade. And that's exactly why this bot is a game. It's not about luck, it's about data, speed, and smart automation. Here's what makes AI Max Pro EA different: AI-powered decision-making. Trades based on market data, not emotions. 100% hands-free automation. You don't need to do anything. Built-in risk management, smart stop-loss and take-profit adjustments, works on any account size. Even small accounts can grow. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but how do I get it? Good news for a limited time. You can grab AI Max Pro EA at a special discount. Click the link in the description to get yours now. And if you're still on the fence, there's a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose. Don't let emotions or missed opportunities cost you money. Let AI handle your trades while you focus on what really matters. Hit that like and subscribe button for more Forex trading insights, and I'll see you in the next video.